In this video, I'm going to talk about drums saturation and making drums have better presence, greater punch, and have more harmonics to fill up the space that audiofield has given for drums. I have used two plugins for this purpose. First one is TUBA from Analog Obsession. Second one is Tube Amp from Voxengo. So let's check drums without any processes. So this is our drums, and with this setting we will check what could TUBA deliver that would be better than the not processed drums. It has a little more punch and transients are enhanced, and you can really hear them take part in these drums. We start to hear those harmonic distortions that are happening to lower frequencies. So the second plugin is doing almost 70% of the job. So drums is much bigger and it has a compressed feeling because saturation compresses audio materials, but in a natural way it compresses peaks, suppresses peaks, actually softens the audio. So this plugin, as I said, is doing 70% of the job. TUBA was just start of the saturation journey because I shaped drums bass with TUBA and then finalized with Tube Amp. So how does it sound like in the whole song? Do we have a better effect or a worse effect? Have you in my life? No, it's rough, but it'll take a little time. Baby, I'm that you. Baby, I'm that you. Baby, I'm that. Baby, I'm that. Baby, I'm that you. Seems to be a little bit louder than the input signal, so I decreased output gain. Have you in my life? No, it's rough, but it'll take a little time. Baby, I'm that. Did you feel how warmer and wider it gets? So it doesn't matter which plugin you do use, they both are free and everyone have access to them. But the way you use them is much more important than the plugins you have. I recently removed every cracked plugin that I had and started using only those plugins that are free and I have known for a long time because I'm curious and I tested a lot of plugins, a lot of companies. I will record another video in another time to talk more about why did I do that, why did I switch to a DAW like Reaper and my experience in this journey. But for now, let's say it's enough to only talk about drums. I have not done any process on solo channels. Yes, it works and it's alright to do mixes like this. You can first do some processes for bass channels, then move on individual channels and check if anything is wrong or anything could be better. This way, you can mix in much less time with much higher quality. So the result would be better. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more.